The last item that I want to show to you in this segment on the Verge phones covers a new feature. This feature is specific to the 9312. It is not yet available on the 9308 phone. Will that happen in the future? Who knows? I can't say. But for today, it's on the 9312, and it's a Bluetooth syncing feature. So if you have an iPhone or an Android, whichever smartphone device that you have, the Bluetooth function allows you to take a call as you're coming into the office, or if you just happen to be talking to someone who called your cell phone first, you can take that call and via the Bluetooth link, transfer that call to your desk phone. All right, so now Andy's given me a call, and here's what I've got. So I've got the call ringing on my cell phone. I'm going to pick that up first, and we're going to talk to each other here for a second, and obviously I'm conversing on my smartphone, okay? Notice, and I'm going to show this here to you in the audience, that while I'm talking here on this phone, my conversation from my phone is flashing green on this button here. Notice there's this label, and in this label, I can press to retrieve the call. What does that mean? I can actually take that call from my smartphone device and transfer it here to the Allworx Verge simply by pressing this button. Now, notice my speaker function is enabled, and it's solid green here. I've got the active call red light here up on the top of the phone, and Andy and I are talking. Hello, Andy.
Hey, how are you?
I am good. That's how you transfer a call from the smartphone to the Allworx. Another comment on that, notice that my call session stays in place on the smartphone. Doesn't hang up. As soon as I hang up my smartphone, that session on the Allworx is going to go away. So the way this works, this is controlled by the smartphone. All we're doing is we're transferring that session over to the Allworx. This function does not work, so you know, this does not work in the other direction. Could that come up in a later release on the Verge platform? Possibly, but for right now, just know that this only works in one direction. Going from your Bluetooth on your smartphone to the Allworx 9312.